Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open the hood of an Acura MDX. Locate the interior hood release under the left dash and pull it until you hear a pop. Then walk to the front of the vehicle, feel for the secondary latch under the hood center, and push or lift it to release. Raise the hood smoothly, and secure it with the prop rod or confirm the gas struts hold it steady before you start any work. Before opening the hood, make sure the car is parked on level ground with the parking brake set and the engine off. Then let hot components cool a bit to avoid burns. Put on gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes, and remove loose clothing or jewelry that could catch on edges. Keep fingers clear of the hood edge and latch area when closing or securing the hood. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth has changed how many people plan for financial freedom, and I find it oddly calming before tackling car tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more or grab a copy. Now let's get back to the video. If the hood release lever feels loose, check the cable along its path for damage or disconnection and tighten any mounting clips. When the hood won't stay up, inspect the prop rod seating or consider replacing worn gas struts. For a sticky secondary latch, use a light spray lubricant and exercise the latch several times until it moves smoothly. These quick checks will save time and prevent damage when you need access to the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.